Today we're going to be going over ATER Stock and why it could be going higher soon. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please comment how many shares of ATER you have and then how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And if you guys want to start investing in ATER, or you guys want to see our public stock portfolio, or you just want up to $70 worth of free stock, go ahead and get signed up with Public, the social investing app, with the first link in our description. But with all that out of the way, let's get straight into our stock for today, ATER. So if you guys do take a look back into our YouTube videos, we have been posting twice a day, obviously for the past like 8 months, but since it's a little far back, you can see that we posted about ATER stock and it being WallStreetBets Next Target 6 days ago. I just wanted to bring that up, maybe to brag, maybe not, I don't know, but anyways, ATER is up 28% today. It was up as much as, I believe, 40% at one point. Obviously taking a little bit of a pullback, but if you guys do like how these stock charts look, go ahead and get signed up with Public with the first link in our description. When you deposit $1, you'll get up to $70 worth of free stock. But anyways, let's get into the social investing or social activity around ATER stock. So we can see here that ATER is the #1 trending stock on StockTwits. Now, whenever this happens, you love to see this for especially kind of different retail investing stocks such as ATER, such as Ocugen, such as GameStop, AMC. When they're top trending, that's something you love to see. If you take a look here, you can see that ATER is the 6th most active stock on StockTwits and also the 3rd most added to watch list stock on StockTwits, and it just started really pushing up in the past couple of hours. So overall, it is trending #1. All right, now we're going to be going over some news on it. We're also going to be doing technical analysis at the end of this video, so go ahead and stick around till the end of the video if you guys want to see all of that and that sounds interesting to you. So here we are on investorplace.com, and we can see what investors are saying as meme stock Ethereum surges on retail interest. So let's go over this. This is written about 2 hours ago by William White on investorplace.com. Ethereum stock is on the rise Wednesday as retail and meme stock traders pump it higher despite the lack of news. ATER stock has been running higher since it joined several other meme stock on the move this week. However, investing in these stocks can be highly risky, they say, and I would agree, it is risky to invest in this stock. But no risk, no Rari. However, first of all, meme rallies can result in major drops. We all know, basically, we all know this is risky. This is, trying to get tons of gains. You should all be aware of the possible losses you could have. But anyways, keeping this in mind, we do have about 39 million shares that have traded hands. That's a massive increase over its daily average of about 4.4 million shares. So basically, a 10x amount of stock is changing hands, so it makes sense why it is running up so much, especially when retail investors are pretty bullish on it. So keeping that in mind, let's go over what traders are saying about ATER stock. So we can see here that this guy, Corey Trade, said ATER is looking for $20 in the coming sessions. And then this guy said was just $20 not too long ago, so why shouldn't it bounce back? Sometimes you like to take that. ATER added more at $8, so this guy added more. He did draw his own resistance line at about $8. We're going to be going over our own technical analysis in a second. But you can see a lot of traders here very bullish on this. This guy says, doesn't matter that I saw this coming, I didn't capitalize on it. Well, then you didn't see it coming. When a stock is way oversold, it's worth looking at. Not sure if ATER can get back to all-time highs, but at $3 a share, something has to happen. Now that is actually not true. Just because it's the price is low does not mean it can't keep going lower. But yeah, let's see what stock traders are talking about on Reddit. This guy named Portglass said, I got in on shares, not calls of BBG and ATER today. Either of both of those could blow up. Neither look like long-term investments, but the calls are outrageously expensive. Now, actually, my partner on this channel, you might see two of us if you guys are subscribed. He actually made a video on BBIG earlier today. I'm making it on ATER. These are two stocks that we think can definitely squeeze pretty good. I have made quite a big on ATER. I keep selling and buying after dips. Wow, this guy just buys low, sells high. This guy's insane. I am afraid I am eventually going to get burned. That's definitely a possibility with retail investor trading, but there's definitely a possibility to make a lot of money, so you just have to pick and choose what you want to do. ATER is bouncing around with a ceiling of $8. Not true, it's at $9 right now. Manipulated, looking to sell. Well, this guy is a bear, and I don't agree with him. But yeah, let's go over the technical analysis on this. So this is actually a very, very interesting stock because as you can see, this stock was trading at $48 in February of this year. Well, I mean, it came back down. You know, it was basically just making lower lows. For a bit there in May, it was looking like it was trying to make new highs at 21, or not new highs, but break out of this bearish pattern. But it eventually did sell off for the July and August. Now, start of September, last week when I made my video, we did see this go from all the way from $3 all the way to about $10 and test that resistance. And then it promptly fell off and came all the way down to a support line, new support line of $5.35. Now, over the past couple of days, we have been seeing a trend upwards, basically making new highs and higher lows. We can see here that we do have a bit of a resistance line at $10. Now, we did get above $10 at one point today, but you really like to see the candlestick get above $10. Obviously, ATER has been falling a bit in the post market, down from $9 all the way down to $8.65. I kind of see them making support at this $8.25 level. If we do wake up tomorrow and ATER is above $8.25, I'll be pretty bullish for it for the day. But ATER is up 30% on the day, so we could possibly expect a pullback in the stock, sadly. Now, what you guys need to know for the rest of the week, if ATER can get above $10, this thing could break out of its month-long bearish pattern that it's been. Actually, more than like 2 to 3 month-long bearish pattern that it's been in. So yeah, I mean, it went from $8 all the way down to $3. But if we can get above this $10 resistance right here, we can definitely break out of this bearish pattern we're in and eventually try to make our way back up to that previous $21 level that was at just about a month ago. But yeah, what I'm looking for tomorrow morning is for ATER to open above $8.25 and try to get above $10 this week. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be it for the video. If you guys have any suggestions for videos on stocks to make, let us know in the comment section below. If not, just comment anything. It really helps with the growth of the channel. Also, leave a like and subscribe if you made it all the way to the end. As you know, you made it all the way here, you might want to see videos in the future. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope I brought you value and entertained you. But yeah, my name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.